I find it amazing when you walk into medical offices and you see a doctor still using pen and paper. You don't walk into a bank and see them using ledger books anymore.
We are increasing the efficiency of the providers, increasing their revenues, and increasing their level of care.
What we try to do is automate the office, everything from scheduling to documentation of the visit to the actual bill and the labs. We've been working with doctors for over 10 years. If we can be more proactive, and this is what these systems help doctors do, we'll be able to lower the cost of healthcare by seeing these patients on a more of a regular basis.
Most days I'll start taking support calls from home or monitoring support calls anywhere from after 7:30 in the morning. I have the Polycom phones at my home in the living room. And so I'll kind of watch the calls roll through. If they're important, I'll take a call. Then when I come to the office, I do a lot of sales.
Most days around here, it's constant communications. We're constantly through email and voice talking to clients for support calls, training calls, and even sales calls, trying to see how we can help them do their job better through the use of our software. Previous to OnSIP, we had a internal PBX system which allowed for 6 extensions and 4 incoming lines. We wanted to add additional lines. We wanted the flexibility of being able to work remotely, which really wasn't easy to set up with the current system we had. That's why we decided to move on to OnSIP. The benefits of the OnSIP were the remote accessibility of the phone system and also provisioning. It's easy to add a new phone to your line.
The greatest thing is just the freedom that it gives you, that if you can give everybody your business number and you don't have to be at a specific location, you just have to have internet access, and even if not, the numbers are rolling to my cell phone.
As an operational standpoint, OnSIP is a dream in terms of if I get behind in my work and I have a new employee started and I haven't created an email or a phone account for them or an extension or a voicemail box, I can easily do it within 5 or 10 minutes. Routing calls has been a dream, logging onto a website anywhere and be able to dictate where calls go, on-call hunt groups for support or training. When we set up our employees' home offices, they have a couple options. We can either provide them with a Polycom phone pre-configured that they'll just plug into their home router, or if they're using a laptop, we'll provide them a soft phone that's all pre-configured. One of the truly great benefits that we see is our office never has to be closed. In New Jersey, there's a lot of traffic. My employees, I don't want them to be stuck if there's a huge accident for 3 hours on the parkway. So if that's the situation, they just give us a call and they say they're going to work from home that day. Same thing with inclement weather. Inclement weather, instead of closing the office, we're there for support calls. Other clients are in there. It's a medical office. They're all going to be open, so we're here to help them. So all our employees have the ability to log in at home and take those calls and help out.
It allows me to provide the same high level of service but not be tied to the office. So it's not that I'm running around on vacation everywhere. It's just that if I choose to work in Pennsylvania for a few days and try to focus on that area, I have a mobile office at all times. So it just gives you the freedom that you can have, like I said, one phone number and mobility that I otherwise didn't have.